Machine learning is transforming the way we live and work. From powering self-driving cars to enabling personalized recommendations on your favorite apps, ML is everywhere. Learning this skill opens doors to lucrative career opportunities and cutting-edge innovation. On average, entry-level roles like machine learning engineers or data analysts offer salaries starting from $70,000 a year, while advanced roles can fetch well over $200,000 annually. Plus, job growth in this field is skyrocketing. To succeed in this journey, you'll need tools like Python, Jupyter Notebook, and libraries such as TensorFlow and Scikit-learn. But be prepared. The path to mastery has its challenges. For example, understanding complex algorithms and mathematical concepts might feel overwhelming at first. The key is persistence and practice. Earning certifications like the Google Professional Machine Learning Engineer or a double US Certified Machine Learning Specialty can boost your career prospects and validate your expertise. With these insights in mind, let's break down your learning journey into actionable steps. Step 1. Learn programming and data handling basics. Your first step is building a strong foundation in programming and data manipulation. Dedicate 6 to 8 weeks to mastering Python, as it's the go-to language for machine learning. Start with the book Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by Al Swigart, focusing on chapters 1 through 5. For data manipulation, read chapters 4 through 6 of Python for Data Analysis by Wes McKinney. Complement this with hands-on courses like Codecani's Python Basics and IBMI's Data Analysis with Python on Coursera. For practice, work on datasets like Iris or Titanic on Kaggle. Write Python scripts to clean, analyze, and visualize data. Congratulations, you're building the skills of a data scientist. Step 2. Mathematics for machine learning. Spend 8 to 10 weeks understanding the math behind machine learning. Key areas include linear algebra, calculus, and probability. Dive into Mathematics for Machine Learning by Mark Peter D'Eisenroth, focusing on chapters 2 through 4. Need a beginner-friendly option? Check out the manga guide to linear algebra. Supplement this with the course Mathematics for Machine Learning on Coursera and the YouTube series Essence of Linear Algebra by 3 Blue 1 Brown. Practice matrix transformations, calculate gradients, and visualize optimization techniques in Python. Math may seem intimidating, but it's the backbone of every ML algorithm. Step 3. Core machine learning concepts. Now, let's move to the heart of machine learning. In 10 to 12 weeks, you'll learn about supervised learning algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, and decision trees, as well as unsupervised methods like K-means clustering and PCA. Read chapters 1 through 6 of Hands on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow by Erlian G. Ron. Pair this with Andrew Ng's legendary machine learning course on Coursera, especially weeks 2 through 5. StatQuest on YouTube simplifies complex topics, and don't miss their video series on ML algorithms. For practice, predict housing prices with regression models or cluster customer data for segmentation. Remember, the more you practice, the clearer these concepts will become. Step 4. Advanced Machine Learning. Ready to level up? Over the next 12 to 16 weeks, dive into advanced algorithms like random forests, gradient boosting, and time series analysis. Refer to chapters 7 through 9 of Introduction to Statistical Learning by Gareth James. Enroll in the Advanced Machine Learning Specialization by HSA University on Coursera. Tackle specific challenges like implementing random forests for credit scoring or forecasting stock prices using ARIMA. Advanced ML brings you closer to solving real-world problems. Step 5. Deep Learning and Neural Networks. Deep learning powers innovations like voice recognition and image detection. Spend 12 to 20 weeks mastering neural networks. Study Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow, focusing on chapters 6 through 10. Join Andrew Ng's Deep Learning Specialization on Coursera, and watch Welch Lab's Deep Learning Simplified series on YouTube. Create a simple image classifier using TensorFlow or build an RNN-based chatbot. Deep learning is where machines begin to mimic human intelligence. Step 6. Specializations and real-world applications. With the fundamentals in place, explore niche areas like natural language processing, computer vision, or reinforcement learning. For NLP, read Speech and Language Processing by Daniel Jarofsky. For computer vision, try Stanford's CS231N course. Build real-world projects like a recommendation system or an object detection model. These projects showcase your skills to potential employers. Remember, hands-on projects make your learning tangible. Share your work on GitHub, create a portfolio website, and network with professionals on platforms like LinkedIn and Kaggle. Your portfolio is your golden ticket to job interviews. The field of machine learning evolves rapidly. Stay updated by subscribing to newsletters like AI Weekly and Towards Data Science. Join communities on Reddit, participate in Kaggle competitions, and attend industry conferences to learn from experts. Tailor your learning based on your goals. Want to become an ML researcher? Focus on math and theory. Interested in applications? Dive deeper into real-world projects. The roadmap provides flexibility to adapt to your unique needs. And there you have it, the complete roadmap to mastering machine learning. With dedication and consistent effort, you're on your way to transforming your career and joining one of the most exciting fields of our time.